Hello everyone, it's Mark. Here's real friend of Munipals trains with another video today. And before we left off at this little page right here, so we have the R7, RTS, Staten Island Railway, Metro North, and Long Island Railway. And then at the back we have 7 Heaven. Then purple, orange, red, brown, blue, green, and pink. Nothing really changed. Same with the CTA bus. R7. The Rhode Avenue Trolley Market Frankfurt, Silver Line 5, LP46 Locomotive, Common 5, and multi-level. Nothing really changed in the back. Except for, they finally added the W train, and they finally, oh look, plus they also have the ball wheels right there too. They added the R32Z train, which was actually a cool feature, but not the R32J train. And, yeah, plus I noticed a ball wheel feature too. Anyway, let's go to the unboxing part of the Bluebird, aka Redbird R30. It's not a Redbird though. It's really, well, it's not a Bluebird. It's really supposed to be a Redbird though, but just was World Fair, then you know they put a blue just for like a little special, and yeah, so that's why we now have it like this. So yeah, we don't have to go over this because it's the same thing as the one that we just unboxed, and yeah, this one actually feels way much more heavier than the one that's over there. Anyway, here we have our mini collection of 7 trains. So we have 7 train Flushing Local Express, 7 train Flushing Local, 7 train World's Fair Express. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Hope that you give a like to this video. And yeah, now we have a collection video to do after this. Well, for 150 subscribers.